if I were the soil, the trees, the grasses, and the animals, I will never love a human. Not all, but some. That's why today I am going to plant. The earth needs healing through planting. Plant with me, and together we will witness the miracles of nature. We are going to buy some lemons for my farm. Let's go. And we bought some lemons because we are going to plant this in our farm. Now we're going to plant lemons. We need to plant so we can save Mother Earth. So we can have fresh air too. Well, this is my farm, guys, right here. I want it to be green, colorful fruits. We don't really come here like Saturdays, we go to buy one, but I decided to come here and plant some green stuff. Months from now, we will enjoy not just its fruit, but its shade too. And it will also save us from flood and landslide. A worm! A worm! Did you know that earthworms makes the soil rich? Here's the earthworm. You can only see it. We already have pineapples, but they are still small. This is a pineapple, and there are more pineapples lining over there. Let's go. Over there, over here. We also have mulberries right here. I am going to show you some of the plants that were planted from last week. So guys, here it is. Now guys, we are going to show you the babana. Okay, let's go. So guys, here's the babana. Babana, check this out. Palihog, like ug share sa akong video para maganyak inyong mga anak para higugmaon ang atong kalibutan. Sugod karon,